The Uniflow 4230 can be configured to work with your automated manufacturing line, or it can be configured with 1 or 2 handguns for manual operation. Here we see a tandem set of Uniflow Model 4230 drum unloaders supplying pure adhesive to a 30-inch wide double-sided roll coater. The adhesive is supplied from a Uniflow tandem system using 2 Uniflow drum unloaders, with only one operating at a time. When Unit A reaches drum empty, production automatically switches to Unit B with no downtime. The system provides continuous flow of adhesive to the roll coater, even during drum changes. Check out how the 2 Uniflow machines feed a Uniflow 2-in 2-out heated manifold and 2 Uniflow heated hoses, running from the manifold to 2 Uniflow single-point dispensers, or guns. The dispenser on top feeds adhesive to the upper rollers, while the bottom one feeds adhesive to the lower rollers. In this application, the operator uses his switch to start or stop the flow of adhesive to the roll coater, but this process can be automated by adding a level sensor to the system. Uniflow has been producing drum unloaders for half a century. With Uniflow's hot melt drum unloaders, you leverage proven pump and heat transfer expertise, delivering the highest performance, best value hot melt drum unloaders. The Model 4230 has all the features you need to get the job done right.